Did you know that cancer comes in many forms, each with unique characteristics? Let's explore the four main categories of cancer: carcinomas, sarcomas, lymphomas, and leukemias. First up, carcinomas, the most common type of cancer, originating in epithelial cells. Examples include lung cancer, breast cancer, and prostate cancer. Next, we have sarcomas, which arise from connective tissues like bones and muscles. These are less common, with examples like osteosarcoma and liposarcoma. Lymphomas are cancers of the lymphatic system, involving uncontrolled lymphocyte growth. The two main types are Hodgkin lymphoma and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Finally, leukemia affects blood-forming tissues, leading to abnormal white blood cell production. It includes various types, such as acute or chronic, and lymphocytic or myeloid. Understanding these types helps raise awareness and support ongoing research. So, which type of cancer resonates with you in this vast landscape?